You are welcome to our first lecture on a graph database application. We are using a software called Neo4j. Neo4j can be downloaded from neo4j.com download. After downloading from this place, you get an installation file such as this, which you double click and follow through the process. It may open a browser at a point and give you a kind of hash code that when you want to launch it for the first time, you need to copy and paste to identify you, or you register with your email. You can as well skip the process just use without this formal registration. After you've completed that, on your desktop there will be a launch icon for you that you can double click to open, a kind of shortcut like this. After you open, you are going to see a process such as this. It may take some time. If it fails, relaunch and retry, especially if it is the first time, because it's trying to validate the system requirements and a lot of other things. And at the end of the day, it's going to open and you will have an environment like this. This movie database is a database that has been created for practice to understand this software. So this place initially will not have stop, it will have start. So you click it, and you may need to do it more than once if it fails for the first time, until it is showing active. After that, then you double click load-movies.cypher. You double click it. This contains the command for registering, for loading the data that we want to work with. So this is kind of command that was used to create the data set. For example, this create matrix as a movie, it means that this one is creating a movie. Create canon as a person is creating a person, title this. So this person will have characteristics such as name and year born. For the movie, is having title, release, year, and the tagline. So there are relationship that has been created between person and movie. For example, play the role of this one acted, canon acted in the matrix and played the role of Neo. So this has been created, and then after this open, you click this small blue icon until you now get a command such as added, so labeled, created. So at this point now, you can now start to answer other questions based on it, since we have connected to the database, and then the relationships and the people have been created. So thank you. We will proceed to the next